Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking the contact. We have to open our contact list. Let's tap on it, then find the contact you'd like to block and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Add to Block List and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got this information that this number has been blocked successfully, which means that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, right here, remove from blacklist, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So right now I'd like to show you the second way of blocking the number. Basically, it does not really matter where you will be, so the recents, the contacts, just tap on the three dots icon here and go to the settings. Right here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. We successfully blocked the number. Here we can do it manually, kind of. We can simply tap on add a number and we can enter it here. You can paste it if you've got it copied and then tap on block, and again it will appear on the blacklist. What is more, you've got those two options. So for example, you can block the numbers which are not in your contact list, so basically block all unknown numbers, or you can block callers that do not disclose their numbers, so the private numbers. It's up to you. You can turn those options just by tapping on those switchers and turn them off the same way. And if you want to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.